Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can apply the neon flow effect, the new effect from CapCut easily. So you can find that, the neon flow effect in Trendy, but you can see for the page. This is perfect. You have to join Pro Boris to be able to use this effect. So for instance, I'm going to add this photo and I'm just going to just for the duration and just going to select non-flow effect. Okay, and after done I'm going to copy paste the image and just for the duration is similar with the effect, and I'm just going to add another effect just for second clip. Just add, and here we go. This is the final effect you have in your video. So simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.